Welcome back to the channel, and today we got an interesting day. You guys have probably seen it if you follow me on all the social media platforms. You guys have seen this red truck. We've been doing quite a few things with it. George has been enjoying it, doing some racing out in Mexico with it and all that good stuff. It's a good day today to go to Mexico and go get some draggy testing in. I really see this truck probably going mid-nines on the street. That'd be nice, but we'll see. You never know. I'm gonna go try to see if we can find a solid road so we can do what we need to do with it and see what kind of data we can get before we can actually go to the track with it. So stay tuned. Here we go. Alright, so we got a few little 60-foot / 8th mile hits with it on some close-in roads, and truck feels good. I ended up going lifting on one of them with 643 at like 100 miles an hour, which is very, very impressive. I definitely see potential with it, and it was just on the 3rd setting, so this thing's got 5 settings. Setting up GoPros now, we're gonna attempt to make a quarter hit to see where we're at. And basically we'd probably leave it at that. I'm really happy with the way the truck is working. Suspension surprisingly really good. It's what's the brand on this one? Rytec. Yeah, it's a Rytec suspension setup, so it actually works. And we're still on ET street tires. I think the ones that I didn't do no burnout, I literally just pulled up, stalled it real quick, and made the lick. So we're gonna try it again, get you some GoPro footage, and should be calling that a night. We'll probably go to the 8th mile to be on the safer end of things and see what we could do there. So stay tuned, here we go. We are here at Houston Motorsports Park, the only track left here in Houston. We are here with George's truck, looking to run a little bit better than what we did at the street, or on the street. And the truck actually ran pretty good, so we're just looking to better that here at the track. We did remove some weight out of the truck and made it a little bit lighter because George is a little heavy. Hopefully everything goes smooth, truck works the way it should, and we have a good time. But we're here, okay? You guys stay tuned. We're gonna make a quick hit and let's see how fast we can go, all right?
Park over there.
Why? I paid a bunch of money so I could park over here.
20 bucks?
40.
Dang, I got hustled.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I got dragged down here.
What's going on, man?
It's Aldo, Damien, right? Damien.
Yeah, nice to meet you, brother. What's
Danny.
going on, man? Aldo. Nice to meet you, brother. Oh.
Yeah, that's Aldo. That's Aldo. Yeah.
I just followed this guy. You ready or what? Yo, how many passes you make?
Real, really?
Bet. Transmission should be nice and toasty now. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's see. It probably will work. What's up, man?
Oh, my bad. I ain't see you. How are you? Oh, I don't want to interrupt you. Go ahead.
You're good, man. You're good.
Go ahead.
Now you can get in the video, bro.
No, bro. I sat. They were laughing at me, Angel, right now. I walked up. He's like, bro, you shit on your pants. I'm like, no, I didn't. He's like, look. And I looked. Bro, I stopped at the gas station on the way over here. I got a gancito. I think a piece fell, and I sat on it. I can't show the camera, bro, but don't show the camera, bro. But hey, good job.
Thank you, buddy. Yeah, this is the guys from Pasadena Speed Shop. If you guys ain't checked out their blogs and their YouTube channel, their stuff's pretty good too. I like watching that stuff, but they do Chevrolet stuff. But all their stuff is slow. They need to get in the Ford game. He's already ran twice. The first one, he forgot to turn up the boost. The second one, he actually put it in setting 3, which was 15 pounds. It went 628 at 118 already faster than what we ran on the street. So we should be good now. He's gonna go with the 4th setting and let's see what it runs there. 4th setting is 18 pounds, 1,000 horsepower. So let's see what happens. Come on. Hey, that was a good hit. Hey, they didn't expect that out that little stock truck.
A little work truck?
Yeah, a little work truck.
Little parts truck?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
601 at 122. 601 at 122. That is sick.
A little work truck? You don't think we take your work stuff out the back?
Oh, that is legit. The 4th setting, or there was a 5? Did you
I saw it.
Yeah! I like it.
Was it better than the last one? Shake check. Hell yeah. I've never made a setting. I've never made a hit.
Dang it, that is awesome. We're gonna make an attempt of adding more boost to it. Will the trans hold it? Probably not, but if it does, it's gonna go really fast, all right? Check it out, here we go. Let's see, hopefully it wasn't the trans slipping. And if it was, job security.
Uh-oh. Shout out to Circle D.
Yeah, sir, goddamn it, Circle D. Son of a Hey, that's that Aldowelds trans, all right? I'm gonna take it in the chin. If it slipped, it's all good. We fix it. That's all we can. Look at that motherfucker. He going right back to the lane. Why, what happened?
It just fucking, it like popped. Something popped. And then I went off.
Oh, it probably hit the limiter. It hit the boost cut. Probably hit the boost cut. Yeah.
156.
60?
Yeah. 640 and 92.
Oh, so you lifted on that?
Yeah, I let off.
Yeah. All right, boys, this is gonna do it for this video. I had a great time. It's been a long time since I've been to the track and not actually been racing, and I had a good time. Had a good time with the boys, had a few modelos, and the truck ran good. I did figure out a few things after adding a little bit more boost, but we'll get that sorted out. We turned it back down and it ran the exact same time. 6.0 at 122 out of a completely stock truck, about 18 pounds of boost. What more can you ask for one of our packages? This thing worked great. So like, share, subscribe. Please hit the like button. Subscribe. I need to get to 10,000. I am really close to it, and that's a milestone for us. So stay tuned for the next one. I will bring you guys along for more of this fun stuff, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.